We're going to hit Earth with everything. We start with the smallest rock that can reach it. We stop when there's nothing left to throw. Apophis, 370 meters. In 2029, it misses us. Here, it doesn't. A patch of the Pacific burns. Give it a minute and you can't find it. Bigger, a whole field of craters this time. Still nothing that lasts. Ceres, 940 kilometers, the largest object in the asteroid belt. That ring is the crust. It doesn't close. This is the first mark Earth keeps. Pluto, 2,400 kilometers. Half the planet is liquid, the other half is still showing Africa. Our own moon at orbital speed. Watch the moon go first. It's the softer of the two. Mars, half of Earth's diameter. Neither one survives. What's left is a third planet that has never existed. We ran out of things large enough, so we used 100 at once. And this is a black hole. You will never see it. Earth is stretched flat, then pulled into pieces. Nothing exploded. It was taken apart. That's everything we can throw at Earth, so we turned it around. Now Earth is the projectile. Neptune, 17 times our mass. It flashes, then it cools. A few years later, it's blue again, and nothing on it records that we were here. Jupiter. The hole Earth makes is smaller than the storm beside it. That storm is 16,000 kilometers wide, and it has been there for centuries. The Sun, last one. There, that was it. That was the whole event. We started with a rock too small to hurt Earth. We ended with Earth too small to matter. It's the same sentence, read from the other end.